Welcome dear all. I am Sandeep Chaudhary from SU Union Junior College, Pune. Dear student, in this video I would like to explain writing skill topic, that is film review. How to write film review, what is the definition of it, even I am going to tell you various features of film review. Even I will show you some sample of film review. So students, let's start. Dear all, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon button. Film review means it is critical appraisal of a film published in a newspaper, magazine or online. Student, we are going to discuss various Bollywood as well as Hollywood reviews in this video. Let's first discuss its definition and its meaning in detail. See, as I told you student, film review is the analysis of the film which is made by one person or collectively expressing the opinion on the movie. The peculiarity of movie reviews is that it does not simply evaluate the movie but gives very specific opinions which are the foundation of the film review. Usually film reviews are published on online or in magazine, in newspaper. So definitely it is critical appraisal, critical detail of the movie. See, as we have read various information about film reviews in magazines, in newspaper, as you know that every Friday, if Friday is the day, usually in India, how Bollywood movies are released. Even we read in newspaper, we listen on in magazine that how the stars are given, how there is a particular rating for that particular movie, thumbs up, thumbs down. So this is simple things to analyze or to get review of the movie. In the same manner, student, usually review and preview. Preview means before the film releases, we get comment about it, and after releasing the film, we want to give critical analysis of the film. We have to write articles. What is the film? How was the film? Did you enjoy it? So all these things, student, explain here. See, there is one alternative questions. From 1 star given to movie, we conclude that definitely movie is not worth watching. If there is only 1 star is given, so we can recommend that student, please don't go for it. It is worst movie. Save your money. So it is just opinion about the movie. Now student, for writing film review, we have to consider various aspects. On what aspect you supposed to explain, you supposed to criticize, you have to give appreciation of the film. So there are basically 4 topics: main idea, plot, music and character. As student, main idea should be what is the main idea, what is the film about, you are going to explain, whether it was adventure, comedy, tragedy, what was it in the movie. So why does it matter, how do you find the main idea, you are going to comment on it. Did you enjoy the main idea, the theme, storyline? Even student, you supposed to comment on the plot, you are going to tell the storyline of the film. So define the essential point, what was the main plot, who are the main lead roles, who are the side roles, sub characters, whether the characters are round or flat. So everything you are going to discuss in this point. Even as for film, watching film, it's wonderful idea when there is a music. So without music it looks very monotonous. So does it fit the mood of the movie? When movie starts, where as per the particular scene, action, whether background music or applied, the songs which are included in the movie, are those are apt or suitable or unnecessarily added, you can comment on it. Even student, characters plays very important role in film reviews. So you are going to find out who is the protagonist. Protagonist means hero, heroic actions, and antagonist means the villainous characters is been displayed by particular character. You supposed to comment on it. Even you are going to describe who was the funny character, central character, side character, for whose character important is given in this movie. Student, as we know that like film review, even we can write book reviews also. For film review there are various points, features, and for book review also you can consider following points like name, type, genre, whether director, main characters, summary of the plot, recommendation, acting, special effect, theme, topic of the book, how the storyline was bound in a particular thread. Student, so we have film writing for 4 marks, so better you consider those points only which are apt and appropriate for a film review. Now we will see next point, that is review or the template of a movie. See, basically now it's when it is marks of when you are going to write film review in exam time, in what sequence you supposed to write, how to give title, introduction, summary, analysis, conclusion, or tips, star, thumbs up, thumb down. So student, here I have given you one sample for you, just go through it. I know it is not applicable for each and every film, or maybe it differ with Bollywood, Hollywood, but at least you can try to get some points from this template, student. As here I am going to show you sample copy of the Hunger Game. Student, here the film which is based on science, and here the Hunger Game which was published in 2012, and the sample of film review is given for your perusal. Student, kindly go through it. It can help you how to explain, how to give title, the year of movie, then captions, heading, music, and then various points are mentioned in this sample, student. So kindly read it, and you can take screenshot it and better revise it in proper manner. Student, as far as the Hunger Game is concerned, as this is Hollywood movie, and it the film actors like Jennifer Lawrence or Josh, Gail, Pita. So here you supposed to mention their names of character, what kind of role they play. So while writing film review, student, take notice of those all points which are given in your textbook, like story, review, movies, and title. So here is in this video, student, I have completed definition, some examples, and pamphlet for you, which aspects you supposed to consider while writing film review. So in next video, student, please watch next video, and that in next video I'm going to tell you steps for writing film review. Thanking you for watching this video.